Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm not going to be showing my face because I got my skin lasered about a week ago and my skin is still healing. Last year I posted a video about my first vanity table I bought from HOMARY, and it's been a year now since I've had the table. I'm surprised by the amount of questions and comments on the communication thread, so I thought it'd be good to make a video update. One of the main reasons why I bought the vanity was because I wanted to start building my fashion room. The way I picked out my vanity table was based on how the way I like to get ready. For example, I do not like to hoard makeup collection, nor do I like to hoard hair products and styling tools. Now, when it comes to clothes and shoes, I do overdo it with clothes and shoes because I'm just more passionate about clothes. That means I needed a vanity that is aesthetic to my style, provides enough space and storage for getting ready, and an extra cubby or two for keeping miscellaneous items. Okay, the first question is, how was your experience with HOMARY? I want to try ordering, I can't pronounce that word right now, ordering from there, but there are only 5 reviews out of the whole website. So I commented, my experience was great. The only downfall is that shipping does take anywhere from 5 to 8 weeks. I'm not as upset about the long shipping because one, that's what they advertised, and that's how long I actually end up waiting. So there's truth in that. There's nothing to hide from that. If you really want a unique, gorgeous vanity that no one else has, and if you do decide to get from HOMARY, yes, you have to wait. Yes, I'd be patient. Customer service was also excellent. Every time I emailed them, they emailed me back within 24 to 48 hours, so I never had any delay in receiving communication from them. When my boxes arrived, everything was in mint conditions. Nothing was broken, nothing was tarnished. Where is the stool from? The stool actually came with the vanity set. So the set came with the portable mirror, the stool, and the tables for the vanity. Does the mirror tilt? Yes, the mirror does tilt. You can tilt it forward or backward. It's also portable, so meaning you can position it on the center one day, or you can put it off to the side, or you can have it facing you diagonally, which I like because that gives you, oh excuse me, this wine is kicking in, which I like because it allows you to customize your grooming space. I wanted to know if the finish on the vanity is gloss. Also, can you move the side drawers to the left? Are they screwed to the vanity top? Okay, so the finishing is not gloss, it's actually matte. Let's see. Also, can you move the side drawers to the left? Yes, so all the drawers you see on my vanity, you can actually pull them out and push them back in. Are they screwed to the vanity top? Okay, so what's holding these two drawers together is this. So what you do is you lift this up, you slide it in between, place it down, and they stick together. Okay, so the most recent question I received is, after owning this for a year, did you notice anything and do you still love it? So do I notice anything different now that I had probably missed the first time around? I would say I wish the drawers on the left were just a bit deeper. I don't remember how many inches they are, but probably anywhere from 6 to 7 inches deep. I wish they're just a bit deeper or maybe wider so I could store more items, but I just keep items are not too bulky in those drawers. So anything from my skincare products to feminine products and just my swimming suits because I had nowhere else to put them. Do I still love my vanity up to this day? Yes, yes, yes. I love it so much. For one, the style is so glamorous and chic, and it doesn't feel overwhelming. Okay, so going back to why I bought my vanity table, I bought it because I wanted to build my fashion room and I wanted to buy the most expensive item first and just get it check off the list and then build everything else around it. I also have perfume bottles. I could have just put them on a perfume tray, put on top of the vanity, or stuck them inside one of the drawers. But I didn't want to do that. I want to do something a little bit unique still. So I went to Home Goods. So I went to Home Goods and I bought this heart-shaped wall mount just to hold my perfume bottles. And I think the heart shape, the gold scheme, just complements the vanity so much. It makes everything look so more chic and glamorous. I also purchased this marble table with golden legs. I think it just makes my fashion room look so much cuter. And ladies, you don't always have to spend so much money to maximize your personal style or to create your fashion playroom. And this is one of the reasons why I personally chose this vanity table, because I felt that I was getting a big bang for my money's worth. So next up is my clothing rack I got from Amazon. Originally the color was black, I think, but I had asked my brother-in-law to powder coat it for me, so we changed the clothing rack to red. I didn't want my fashion room to look all gold and cream. I feel like I need another color for a variation, so I chose red, and I just love red. So on this rack, this is where I keep my work clothes and new clothes that I have not worn yet, but clothes that I want to wear and make videos for you guys. And the last thing I got to complete my fashion room is this rug. It's so simple and yet chic, and I got this from Amazon. When it came to picking out my rug, I wanted a cream color, but I did not want a solid cream. I wanted some color variations to help make my room come more alive and bright. So this is what I settled down with. You can see the cream in it, you can see the beige, and it also has a little bit of gray tints. Something recent and new I had just started doing at my vanity is that when I now get ready for work or for going out, I like to light up a candle. It really just helps to make the room smell good. It makes me feel more calmed and feel better about myself. And if I do have wine, I will pour myself a cup of wine with some ice. Okay, normally I don't drink wine, but the reason why I have wine today is because my sister-in-law gifted me this Stella Rose peach flavored wine, and it was just perfect for this video I had planned for you guys. I like to drink my wine with ice because I like to keep all my drinks cold. Is that weird? I don't know, you guys tell me. I think the reason why it took me so long to finally have a fashion room or to have a space that allows me to be myself is because I've always grown up sharing my space with family, friends, and resources is one thing too. I didn't have money. And now I'm at a place in my life where I can slow down and really think about myself. I am 29 years old now, and I'm starting to realize who I am becoming and what I want to do in life. So I think having this established room and vanity really gets to say who I am and what am I getting ready for next in my life. I think I'm just at a place in my life where I want to create a space that makes me feel like myself. A space where that allows me to get ready for work. A space that allows me to get ready for my solo dates. And now when I get ready, I just like to get ready to go out and dine in and try out different food in North Carolina. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am going to be pumping out more fashion and dining in content. Think of what to wear to a cocktail date or what to wear on your first solo date. So if you like anything like that, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.